So let's talk about errors and outliers, and this is a tricky problem. So first off, you'll detect them in your exploration, like a lot of these problems. And you can just have erroneous values. Erroneous value, like a typical case, the price of a product, what customers bought it for over time, and all of a sudden you see the price is 10 times more, or 10 times less. It's pretty clear that is an error. It's just the price of that car or that soap or whatever didn't suddenly jump by a factor of 10 probably. So that's an erroneous value. But outliers could actually be useful information. For example, if you're trying to detect fraud or some other anomaly, failures of equipment or something like that, those outlier values, those strange values might be the most valuable data you have. So you don't want to just arbitrarily go through and axe anything that looks out of place, because you really need to apply some domain knowledge and understand what's going on. So here's some ideas of how you can identify these cases. You can use summary statistics. So if you find you have 10 values out of thousands that are 3 standard deviations out, well, that's kind of suspicious. If you find they're categorical values where there's a case that only has 3 or something like that, you should think about that. Why are there only 3 when there might be thousands of cases in the other categories? You can use visualization, and on scatter plots, sometimes it's very obvious what outliers are in various other graphical methods, histograms and what. And let's say you've hunted down some cases that you truly believe are errors and you want to treat them. So what can you do? Well, one thing you could do is you could just set a max and min range of credible values and just limit to that. You could use one of the missing value strategies. You could, like replace with the median or the mean or something like that.